What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video in learning Bootstrap step by step. So in the previous video we have seen how we create this text and how we put our font awesome here. So in this video we're going to see we're going to further learn about this font awesome. Alright, so you guys go here at your home, FAS, which is S stands for solid. I'm going to show you guys the difference. There is 5 categories like FAS, FAR, FAL, and FA8. So we have different font awesome here, and I'm going to show you guys how we use that. So first of all, first thing first is we go here at our shop, and we're going to further put our font awesomes, and we include this I, because with the I you guys can include your font awesome. We put a class, and we still want solid. And for the class, we are gonna for the shop we are gonna put a cart plus. So we see how this cart plus is gonna look like, and you guys see this cart plus is cool. It looks very cool. So you guys see that there is a home, and with the tag, and there is a shop. Anyone looking at your website, even if they can't speak English, they know that this is for shopping, this is for product, and this is for home. So we've got a login and register. We go at the login, and we also gonna put our I. So don't forget this I, because with the I you guys can include your font awesome. So font awesome solid, and we put a FA user. If you guys put a users, it's going to be now you guys see there is a single person, but if you put a users, it's going to be plural, and you guys see that many users, and you guys see there is many users, but we don't want many users, because we are not a social website, because we only one. And we coming down here at this guy here, at the last guy, which is that. Okay, I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna let the sky Sublime Text to finish this sentences. So I'm gonna put a class FAS, and I'm gonna FAS. So I'm gonna be sign in alternative, sign in alt. That's it. So if you guys put a sign in alt, it means sign in alternatives for this register, and you guys see that. Anyone, if someone can't speak English, they can still use your website because of all this. Alright, so now that we have done our home, we have done our tags, shop, login, register, and it's a time for this my salon drop down. So we have a menu here. 1 second, I'm clicking and it's not working, and I think the reason is this guy is clashing. I think the Bootstrap bundle and the Bootstrap min.js, I think they are the same files. If you guys got anything around here, so just remove it. I think they are clashing. I'm not sure why. Yep, they are working, because I put it Bootstrap this guy here, JS Bootstrap bundle. It means it's a bundle, and it's got all the Bootstrap. And Bootstrap min.js, I'm not sure why they're clashing with each other, and while they're clashing I can't open my menu here. So I'm going to put a few of font awesome around here as well. I'm going to put your orders and history, about us, call us, what's new, and I'm going to put all in solid. We go here because we've done our tags, we got our card, we got a user, sign in, and we come here. So your order, so what we'll do for our order, we put an I, we put a class, FAS, font awesome solid, cart, arrow down. So we put a cart, arrow down. We let the user know that they have ordered something from us. So I'll open it. I'll see what's the problem. FAS, FA. So I forgot to put a FA. So it's OI class FAS font awesome solid FA card arrow down to bring this card arrow down, so you guys see that there is a nice looking cards coming with the plus sign. This should be arrow. This is a, I think this is a plus. Yeah, so you can't see much difference, but it's a card plus, it's a card arrow down because it's going to the arrow. Alright, so we go to our history, and with the history I'm going to put OI class and FAS FA clipboard. Clipboard. Alright, so I'll see the clipboard and see this history, and it comes in about us. What we'll have here, I'll want to check again. We put the call us first. About us, call us, and I'm going to put OI class FAS FA font. Alright, see that there is a phones coming, and we're gonna put this about us. You guys can put anything nice looking. You guys can put a users, or you guys can put a money FAS FA money check alt. So money check alt is coming for about us. You guys see that it's looking like a dollar sign. So you guys can put this up or this one down, up to you. That's what I thought better, you know, to show you guys there is a card, there is a clipboard, there is a money check alt, and there is a phone to call us. And we come here at what's new. So you guys come here at the what's new. OI class FAS FA. We put a task. So I'm gonna come here to see, and you guys see. Maybe I bring this task to other items, or maybe I can use this OI. So I'll see how it looks. FAS FA. We put a shopping bag. Shopping bag to see how it looks. Okay, that looks a lot better, because even if you guys put it like that and you see that all these cool icons coming, even it's good for people who can't speak English. At least they know that this is about other item, this is about what's new. There is a text here, looks like it's a clipboard, there is a phone here to call us, and there is a history, other items. Alright, so shopping bag. Alright, so with the last one, with the search, we can put our OI here at the search. You guys see sometime magnifier. I'm gonna put a cool stuff here. I'm gonna put a class FAS FA spinner. I think it's spinner. Oh yeah, it is a spinner. So as you guys see that there is a search here and there is a spinner something around here, because in the next video I'm gonna put animation. Maybe I put in this video animation. I'm gonna show you guys how to put animation with your font awesome. So, and your website looks cool after that. And you guys see this is something look like should go round and round instead of search. So the reason I've done this to make the my videos a little bit not boring, so for you guys a little bit cool. So the reason I'm gonna put this, because I want to look my videos not boring, so you guys not sleep. So I'm gonna make it a little bit I can put a magnifier here but I chose not to because I want something to go move around and round. So how we gonna do this spinning? So I'm gonna put a FA spinner. That's it. If you guys put a FA spinner, it's gonna spin. Spinner, I think the spelling is alright. No, I put it spinner, spin. Okay, because I want my search to. And so look guys, you look at this guys, this is something that spinning round and round till you guys get dizzy. And I think the website looks cool. You guys could have put a magnifier. You guys can put a magnifier as well, but I chose this one. I want to make it look funky. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and in the next video I'm going to show you guys how we're going to manipulate these icons. And till the next video, I'll see you guys and bye.